फिल्म्स के व्यूअर्स को मैं कहना चाहूंगा, मैं टेरेंस लुइस एक नए शो में आ रहा हूँ, चक दुम दुम। अलग चीजें दिखने को मिलेगी, बहुत बहुत अलग क्रिएटिविटी, इनोवेशन और बहुत ऐसे मुद्दे भी हम उठाएंगे जो which will help us express our concerns about India and the world around us. And it's going to be a fun show. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोगों के साथ हमें मिलने मिलेगा जो आम तरीके से मिल नहीं सकते उनके, और the contestants are great, the talent is great, my relationship with Malika and Javed is simply fantastic, and I'm having a good time, and I'm sure you're going to have a good time watching it.
के जरिए तो मल्लिका बॉक्स ऑफिस पर कुछ ज्यादा कमाल नहीं कर पाई, जिसके चलते अपनी डूबती नैया को बचाना ही उन्होंने बेहतर समझा और थाम लिया टीवी का हाथ।
सबसे पहले तो सबको मेरा आदरणीय प्रणाम। मेरे सामने बैठी है इतनी ज्यादा प्रेस, मुझे करना है इन सबको इम्प्रेस।
जी हाँ, जब धूम धूम के सीजन 2 में जावेद जाफरी टेरेंस के साथ नजर आएंगी मल्लिका जज की कुर्सी संभालते हुए।
बिकिनी में तो लगती हूँ लाइक हॉट चॉकलेट फज। मैंने सोचा लेट्स सी व्हाट इट्स लाइक टू बी अ जज।
अरे वाह वाह वाह।
मल्लिका की माने तो 16 ईयर के बच्चे उनकी फिल्मों से वंचित रह जाते हैं। ऐसे में उनके जलवे कम से कम टीनेज के बच्चे तो जरूर देख पाएंगे।
टीवी की पहुंच आज इतनी बढ़ गई है कि घर घर में टीवी पहुंच चुका है। और वैसे भी जानती है मेरी फिल्में जो है यूजुअली वो 18 से ऊपर के लोग ही देख पाते हैं। तो मुझे लगा कि अगर मुझे ऐसा मौका कलर दे रहा है जहाँ बच्चे मुझे देख पाए, मुझे समझ पाए, क्यों
जल्दी बढ़ेंगे।
भाई मल्लिका, आपकी जजिंग का किसको कितना फायदा होता है इसका तो पता नहीं, पर आपके जलवे देख हमारी टीनेज पीढ़ी वक्त से पहले जरूर बड़ी हो जाएगी।
I want to do Chak Dum Dum because it's different, and I think it's change. It's time to change. It's a beautiful concept, very different from what I've done. I want to see something different for myself. I want to showcase. I've already showcased solo talent. I've showcased duets in DID, but now I want to showcase groups. I want to take groups and show India what can you do creatively, innovatively with a group. Chak Dum Dum, we have got teams from Chhattisgarh. We've got a team from Odisha. And कल जब मैंने एक performance देखा, it was like a dam that was bursting. It just brought back so many memories because उन्होंने एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा concept about poor people, पेश किया, and it connected me because it brought me back to the days when I was not very rich. Even now I'm still struggling, but I must say I'm in a better place than what I was before when in my childhood. It was very hard days for us. I come from a very dignified but not well-to-do family. I was a very low middle class family, and we had to really struggle और बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी. And there was a time when we had gone through a very bad phase in our lives in terms of finances, my dad's lockout and everything, and खाने को भी we had struggled, and mom is kind of just put all the children together and she gave the best she could. Even dad struggled, so it was a very touching moment to see that one element where the boy eats the food from the dustbin, and that's something I remember in my school life. There was many a days when I used to go hungry, and we were so hungry that at one point I had to kind of pick up food from the dustbin of whatever children had thrown and eat it in the toilet so nobody watched it, see me, sharam ke mare. And it really brought something out for me. And I'm saying this is what India is, and through dance you can show that. Through dance you can make people understand and bring themes out. बहुत सारे issues हैं हमारे देश में. That also through dance I can bring it out. एक जरिया होता है क्रिएटिविटी का, so I'm going to use that also the platform. So there's a lot of things to speak. बहुत मुद्दे हैं जो उठाने हैं और ग्रुप डांस के जरिए मैं दिखाऊंगा उनको, और बहुत सारे क्रिएटिव आइडियाज भी है जो मैं एक सोलो या डुएट के रूप में नहीं पेश कर सकता. So I'm looking forward for all those things. Geeta is amazing. She is just spontaneous, and she is chulbuli hai. And same with Mallika, she has got her own energy and charm, and she's on the spot, dil se bolti hai. Matlab, she's also very flirtatious with the with the camera and with the contestants. She's got that very magnetic charm about her. And वो एक आम जनता की आवाज है. See, the reason we could have taken another judge who was a dancer or choreographer, but the channel consciously took a celebrity just to kind of course, the glam factor, but also people have never seen Mallika on a television. That's one. Two is that she's very pleasant, very affable, very endearing. She's the aam janta ki आवाज. So we will be very technical and whereas when you see Mallika, she just says मुझे अच्छा लगा. भाई मुझे अच्छा लगा, मुझे दिल को छू गया. This is something which an audience will not see कि उसका point नहीं कर रहा था, toes point नहीं कर रहे थे, or I didn't find the extension जो I will keep nailing this to the dancer, but she would just say, but I loved it. And that is what we need in a show, very mixed opinions.